Are you documenting this, Abigail?
I'm taking a picture. I took a video
Of that, okay.
I'm not done with all my videos. I'm watching you.
She's gonna be an excellent paparazzi someday.
Look at this, Abigail. Get a shot of this. That's the compound.
I think it dripped anyway. I'll just get some.
Well, he dropped compound on the floor, so do not ask about that.
We're documenting it.
Watch him.
I think you have a phone call in the other room, Abigail.
And so, he's fixing up the patch now, but he's actually scraping at it now. He's scraping at the cover, and so please don't ask about the cover. Here's Papa Mike. He's my grandpa. And his head is a little naked, as you can notice.
His head is a little naked, as you've noticed.
Excuse me?
And he has a little bit of a beard.
And I have a little bit left over for the photographer.
Okay, and you are, and Papa Mike is really, really funny.
I'm not as funny as you. Are we done with the video?
No.
Yes, I think we are.
He said, yes, I think you are. So please don't ask that. I'm going to get a picture of his feet for you so you know what they look like. No, I
All
do.
this commentary's too much.
His head is a little naked.
I'm not working this gig anymore, I tell you that.
Hey,
Well, he speaks a different voice. Show him your different voice, please.
I'm not...
No, regular voice.
My regular voice. This is my regular voice.